Hello everyone, that's just Penny here, and today I want to do another Brother Scan and Cut tip of the week, and I want to talk about your lighting. If your lighting is dark, you may need to put a light over your Brother Scan and Cut. Usually in the evening I have some issues scanning. It won't pick up maybe the colors or whatever. Sometimes I'll use a lantern or a flashlight because I have not a whole lot of light in my house. So if that is an issue with the lighting, because it is a scanner, I will use a lantern or something to get a better result. So if you're having some issues, maybe move your machine to a more lighted area, or basically I've just been scanning in the mornings, things like that. You need to come, I don't know what this is originally called, but I call this the scanner door. You will need to clean this occasionally, and of course the scanner cover, I guess you could say, the scanner board down here, it will get maybe some paper and stuff on it, and especially if you use sticker paper or adhesive, or the repositionable, adhesive, things like that, it will get grimy. And of course when it scans, it's scanning against the scanner door, so if it's not clean, it's going to have, I just clean it with the baby wipe. That's all I do. I don't do anything major to it. Also in your settings, if your image, I have this image, isn't this cute? This is a new ornament shaker that we created last night, and this is Pugsies. My daughter created those. So if you want to scan those and it's not picking it up, I do direct cut, just to show you. You can change this recognition mode. And of course, I know there's videos all over YouTube about Brother Scan and Cut tips and tricks. I'm trying to get that with my finger. My tool, I can't find my tool right now. But you can change it to black and white if you want to. That will give you some results, better results. Sometimes I need my tool. But also, I want to, let me show you these little cute little, let me get this down. My little door thing back here broke. The little legs on my thing there broke, display. These are super cute. So if you're having trouble with, like black lines or whatever, try to scan in black and white, and try to scan in color. And then don't forget to clean your scanner door, and make sure that scanner is clean, and make sure you have enough light. And I want to thank the artists at Creative Fabrica, digitalscrapbook.com, and Pixabay for all the wonderful images for commercial use. Thank you all so much. Check out the links down below where you can find your free images, and also possibly a subscription. So check out the link down below. And have a wonderful day, guys, and stay tuned for the next Brother Scan and Cut tip.